basically what happened was I was putting away my laundry and I came across my cute little tank top and I noticed that it has some bleach stains. Hooray. And I was upset, but then I thought it's a really pretty color underneath that is revealed from the bleach. So I decided that I could bleach it like all those girls on TikTok. You know, they take a toilet bowl cleaner and they're like, shh, and then it comes out all pretty and tie-dye-y, and that's what we're gonna do. So I don't really know how to do this because I never done it before. So let's look for some TikToks on the matter. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, the volume inside of this bus.
That was weird. Lucky for me, I have two little rubber bands in my drawer already, so I don't have to go downstairs. So let's do the little twisty thing. Look, I made my little pinwheel thing. Okay, now let's head over to the bathroom and see if our toilet cleaner has bleach in it. Ah, it does contain bleach. So this is like almost kind of gross, but let's do it. So the girl put it in her thingy shower and just poured it on there, and then I think I just put it in a bag. Maybe I should look back at that TikTok and see. Okay, so I rewatched the TikTok. She didn't put any instructions on it, so I just had to watch. But I got this glove. Okay, and then I think we just let it sit. Honestly, I feel like this, it doesn't say blatantly like bleach on the front. Like, oh wait! Oh shoot. Yeah, it did. It said bleach right there. I didn't have to look in the ingredients. Silly me. What I was gonna say was maybe this didn't have a high concentration of bleach, but it does because it does say it on the front. I thought it didn't. Long story short, I'm dumb. Now I just let it sit there, but I don't know for how long. And I don't want my shirt to get destroyed, so let's cross our fingers that does not happen. Hey guys, long time no talk. I decided that I want to make a really delicious treat off of Pinterest, and I found edible cookie dough, and I'm gonna go make it now because I love cookie dough. I think honestly, like, we get Toll House cookie dough, and I actually like the cookie dough better than the actual cookies, but only for Toll House, just because Toll House cookie dough is so delicious, and I might get salmonella, but I'd say it's worth it. So I am halving the recipe since I'm the only one that's gonna eat it, or maybe some other people will, but I also don't know if it's gonna be good or not. I'm on vacation, cause I love my occupation. Oh, that's so annoying. The butter's not totally softened. I mean, it makes sense because it just came out of the freezer. Scrape down the sides and add vanilla and heavy cream. Okay. So, I mean, the sides don't really need scraping. I mean, I guess I could scrape a little.
What are you making?
Edible cookie dough.
That's funny.
What?
Isn't cookie dough by very nature edible?
No, because you can get salmonella. Beat that, bozo. Interesting. It's so, not solid. Very buttery and very soft. I say next time I use less butter and more flour. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the freezer and we'll check it out in the morning. If I mix this with ice cream, that might taste good. Should we just try it really quick? Okay, let's try it. That's actually pretty good. Wait, this is really good. I should make my own ice cream business. Look how delicious that actually looks. Moment of truth. Still very buttery, but if I had less butter, it would actually be so good. I mean, mixed with ice cream, it's still really good. And cookie dough ice cream is like my favorite ice cream, so. Now I'm gonna go show you guys the tank top. So this is the tank top. I think it's really cool, and it'll look better once it goes in the wash. Hi guys, I decided to vlog today because today is gonna be a really nice day. It's gonna get up to 70 degrees, and this is the first time this year in New York that it has reached 70, I think. So don't quote me on that. But me and my family are going to the city today to visit my sister and her husband because it's her husband's birthday today. It's really nice out and I haven't worn a nice outfit in so long, you know, because quarantine has got me wearing sweatpants, leggings, boring things. So I have things that I've been waiting to wear for the longest time, waiting for warm weather, and I have this really adorable yellow halter top that I think I might wear with my white jeans. I think this will be a really cute outfit. I literally am in love with this outfit. Like, it's so cute. I'm gonna show it to you. It's literally such a cute outfit, but I think it's too summery. Like this, I think this shirt is too summery just because, you know, it's a whole open back and it's showing a lot of stomach and no sleeves. I mean, the jeans definitely make it more spring-like, but the top is definitely too summery, so I'm gonna change the top. And I decided that for the top, I wanted to crop this shirt I have. I love this shirt so much. It's just so long though that I used to like tie it and stuff. But I want to just crop it because if I'm gonna just tie it, I might as well crop it. So I'm gonna crop it and then I think I'll wear this today. Okay, so I just cropped it and I'm kind of mad at myself because I used the white shirt as a reference and still cut below the white shirt, but it's still cut so short. So I'm kind of mad because I literally love this shirt so much and I just kind of ruined it. So I'm definitely gonna still keep it because it's like short, but I mean it's still wearable. I feel like I just think it's the fact that it's so loose and it feels so airy. If it was tighter it would probably be better, but it still shows a lot of stomach. That's really sad. I'm not gonna wear this shirt today though because it just feels so airy and really short. So now I have to find another shirt. Okay, so I think I decided I'm just gonna wear this shirt. It's a really cute just orange tank top, crop top thing that I made. It used to be a white tank top and we dyed it orange and it came out like this. I really like it because it has the darker orange rim that looks like almost red and it's really cool, and it has like some white in it to make it almost like tie-dye. It's really cool, but it's kind of loose, so I tied it a little thingy in the back. Okay guys, so this is what my outfit looks like. My room is messy. You just saw a peek of it, so. But I put little orange hair ties in my hair and I only put on mascara and some lip stuff. My lips kind of look a little orange and that's because I put on a lip oil and the lip oil was orange. So that's why. But I want to let my skin breathe a little because it has been breaking out a tad just because I'm trying something new. Maybe it's like purging or something, but I'm trying some new skincare and trying to get off my skin medication because I'm on skin medication. So it's a little bad right now, but yeah. I'm actually just gonna show you what products I have on because in case anyone wants to know, maybe not, but I'm just gonna show them anyways. So I have so of course I put on some beautiful moisturizer. Then I put on Glossier SPF 35 sunscreen. Then I just have my Glossier mascara on and I curled my eyelashes. And I have on a lot of lip products. I just like kind of threw everything on. So I have my mintbalm.com from Glossier. I have this lip liner on by Artistry. It's in the color Downtown, but this is really old, so I bet it's not a thing anymore, but it might be. And then I have this Julep lip oil, and this is the orange one. And then I have this City Lips Advanced Formula on. Hey guys, so we are back from the city. My head really hurts because my ponytails are really tight, but as you saw, we went on a walk and we got ice cream and ices from the supermarket, and we just had a really nice time. It was really hot actually, so happy. Got up to 73 I think. I think I'm gonna take these out, but when we went to the store earlier with my sister, like before we went to the city, my mom let me get an ice cream, so I got chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream, and I think I'm gonna have that now. Alright, so I put on my cute little bucket hat because my hair looks funny from taking out the pigtails. But I got my ice cream. It's really good, actually. It's Sunday Shop low-fat ice cream with a good source of protein, yay. And it's really good. Hey guys, so I was just trying to find some scarves to match with this little outfit I have going, and I found a few little scarves that I have that could match to put in my hair. I was trying this one on and I realized that my bang sort of things, like the little pieces I pull out, are really long. And I was thinking maybe I should cut them. It's quarantine, as everyone knows, so I can't get a haircut, and the classic thing for girls to do is to cut their bangs. So I think I'm gonna do it. Not bangs, actual like bangs, just, you know, like trim my little side pieces that are really long. So I'm not sure if this is like a funny angle or not, but this is what we're working with. So wait, where'd my scissors go? Okay, so I have my scissors. Now I'm just gonna take my hair in a ponytail and just shake it out to get the pieces out. Okay, so I have my little pieces. I'm gonna brush them out, and so they're the same like length. I'm just gonna do this. How short do I go? Okay, wait, I'm just gonna cut them. It's not even like they're bangs. I'm literally not even cutting them that much. They're just like past my chin. I kind of want them to be at my chin. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm just gonna cut them. That's like what normal people do. Okay. Should I like, okay, it's fine. But now they're like so blunt, so like maybe I should do that little feathering technique. Honestly, like not bad, like, but I just kind of realized that I probably should have cut them a little, like not this short, but I mean, it's fine. Let's just see. Okay, no, it's fine, it's like good. Look at my little hair. I can make a little brush out of this. Okay, I just did the little headscarf thing that everyone does, and I think it looks good, like with the little bangs that I cut. I mean, I didn't mean that I wanted to wear this scarf this way when I first tried it on. I want to put it on more like a headband. Okay, so this is what I was actually trying to do, just like to make it into a little headband and then have these little hangy things outside of it, because when I was younger I used to have headbands that just like had strings, because that was like the little style and you put it over your neck. I don't know, I just like it. I mean, this doesn't look really good because I kind of just rushed and quickly put it on, so I'm gonna take it off just because I just wanted to see how it was. I just talked so fast. Hey guys, so I know this video is like full of all random different clips, so I thought I'd add to that and just put another little random clip. So right now I decided that I wanted to do a hair wrap. I've seen a few on TikTok and I like the way they look, and I remember everyone having them when we were kids. So I have my little ponytails and I have to take that out, but my hair is a little greasy, so it's not gonna look its best. So I found this TikTok. I'm gonna look at how she did it and just ignore my hair, please, because I know it's gross. Okay, I did a quick change because I was getting really hot in my sweatshirt. Alright, so I'm just gonna start. I think some people do them up here, but I'm gonna do one right behind my ear, I think, because I just like that better. Alright, so I'm grabbing a really small piece. Sorry if my room's a little messy in the background. I'm just gonna grab a really small piece and then tie the rest of this hair back so it doesn't get in the way. So then they braided it. Okay, so I just made a really tiny braid, and then I put, as I went, I gelled it, and then I gelled it all over. I didn't tie it with like a rubber band or anything. I just put gel on the bottom and like kind of twisted it so it would just stay. And now I am going to put the string on. So I just watched like TikToks on that, so I don't really know how to actually do it, but I'm just gonna wing it. Like, I saw some tutorials. Okay guys, so I finally finished. It took me so long, but here is the final little piece. So I kind of did solid two, and then like all the way down, and none of the same colors are touching each other. And yeah, I just think it looks really cute. Obviously it would look better if my hair wasn't a mess, but I really love it, so I'm super excited. I also want to see if I can get beads so I can do cool bead ones. I don't know, I think that'd be cool. And yeah, I should make more friendship bracelets too for the summer. Get ready. Have my little supply ready for the summer. I don't know. But yeah. When you see people from your school outside your window.